I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul. And we're the Pitfire Boys.
And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a haze of blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Paul. If you're having a big gathering, nothing beats a spit roast, and I'm about to show you how to use one. Very first step for the spit roaster is to remove the rod from the unit. Next step is to place unlit briquettes into the spit roaster. We've got to pour a full chimney of lit briquettes evenly over the unlit briquettes. And when you see a light grey colour, you know you've got a good heat source. Once you're happy with your heat, spread your meat evenly over the rod, tighten your prongs, and add your rod to the spit roaster. Once your spit rotisserie is lit and the meat's on, make sure you keep a good eye on it. It's as easy as that. Now you can just sit back and watch the magic happen.